In this video we are going to understand the concept of ask statement and the join statement. So basically this is what we are going to do. When we click on the green flag, it is asking us for the first name. Let's say I say Invincible, and it asks for the last name. I say Coders, and so it displays a message, hello Invincible Coders, and you can see the values for the first name and the last name on the top left of the game stage. So basically what we are doing here is in the code section, let me increase the size for you. So when you click on the green flag, you are using an ask statement here, which displays a question, and the result for this is like it gives you a text box to write an answer. Whatever the answer that we are giving, we are storing it into a particular variable. So we have made a variable here called first name, and that you can do into the variable section. If you follow my mouse pointer here, you have an option for make a variable, and you can just write down the name of that particular variable, like I have here first name, last name, like this. And so whatever the value the user is going to give, that will always be inside this answer variable. So this value has to be stored somewhere, because when the next question will come up, so this value of answer will change. Like here I am asking this what is the last name, so again you can see I'm using this answer variable. So here the variable is same, so in the first question also, in the second question also, so this value has to be stored somewhere, otherwise it will be lost. So I'm making two separate variables, like first name and the last name, these variables, and I'm storing the value of this answer variable inside them, just to keep it safe and display it on the game stage. And after that I'm using this join statement. Join statement is basically to join multiple statements together. Like here you can see I'm using this join statement. So what I have done is three join statements are there. Here I have some message, then here I am displaying like joining the first variable value, and then I'm joining the second variable value, like this. So here in between you can add some space or some special character or something, whatever you can do that. So once you run it, so let's see uh, one more time. So here I say again Invincible and then Coders. So it says hello Invincible Coders. So this is basically how the ask statement and the join statement work.